This 2012 Winnebago Access 31JP is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 32 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, leveling jacks, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2012 Winnebago Access 31JP is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.